Okay, everybody, I am going to just demonstrate the process of creating a Google site. So the first thing you need to do is type in sites.google.com and you're going to get to this homepage. If you have a Gmail account already or you have some type of Google account, that step is already taken care of and all you're going to do is sign in with your Gmail account. If you do not have that, then you're going to go up to sign up in the upper right corner. And when you click that, you're just going to have that information to fill out. Pretty quick and easy. You're going to have to put in the little CAPTCHA code, and then you're going to click Create Account. I'm pretending because I already have a Gmail account, but that's where you're going to click. And then when you go back, either after you've created an account or if you just already have a Gmail account to sign in with, you're going to enter your email and your password and go ahead and sign in. And then you're going to get to this Google Sites homepage. Very lovely. It has a little learn more area, but we are going to just jump right in and hit create because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, hit create. You're going to do a blank template, so make sure that blank is selected. You're going to name your site, and it's important that you all follow this format. If you're in Spanish 2, write Spanish 2, your first initial and your last name. Spanish 3, same exact thing except you have Spanish 3 in there before your first initial and last name. But you really want to follow that format with Spanish separating your first initial last name with a 2. The site location is going to be the same thing that you just typed in unless you have funky characters in there, which you shouldn't. Then you're going to select a template and you can pick whatever you want. I use these plain ones for our classroom Google sites just so they all kind of have a similar theme but different colors. But you can pick whatever you want, and we're going to pick Treehouse because it's fun. So once I have that, I have to put in this little CAPTCHA. I'm going to type it in so it knows I'm not a robot, and I'm going to hit create. So now you're at your home page. You did it. You've created your Google site. The only other thing that you need to do is add in 2 pages for your blog and your homework. Okay, so once you're at this home page, it's very important that you be on the home page when you do this. You're going to hit new page right here in the upper right. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to give you this little page to fill out. The name of this needs to be blog. Don't call it my super awesome cool blog to the max. Just call it blog, please. Then under that, you're going to format that as an announcement. Make sure that you select announcements. Okay, then your last thing that you have to select is that you're going to say put page under home. Okay, once you have that, you're going to hit create. Yay, now you have a blog page. Now, when you have a blog assigned to you, all that you need to do is sign into your Google site, sign into your blog, and hit new post. Okay, and then you can title this blog number 1 or something easy. And then you're going to go ahead and type in whatever content you have for your first blog. You'll have a word count requirement, and you will have whatever else I tell you to do. Okay, so we're just doing a pretend one. Okay, my name is Miss Dickey and I like tacos. So once my blog is typed in, I just have to hit save. Ta-da! So now I'm within my specific blog number 1. Okay, so if I want to go back to my blog homepage, I'm going to go up to the top and hit blog. Okay, so now this is my full blog, and it's going to include a list of everything I've done so far. So when it's time to do blog number 2, I'm going to get to this page and just hit new post again, just like I did. So very straightforward. I'm going to hit the RSS button to subscribe to your posts right over here. That's going to be how you turn in your blogs. That's all there is to it. So the next thing we have to do is we have to go back to home and make sure you're back on the home page or it'll kind of mess up the sequence of things. So when you're at home, you're going to hit new page again. This one is going to be called tarea. Okay, that's all you're going to write, not mi tarea fabulosa, just tarea. Okay, file cabinet is the template this time. Make sure that you select file cabinet, and then you're going to put page under home again and then create. We're almost at the home stretch here. Now, this is just going to be where you turn in homework. So if it's a document you created in Pages, or if it's something you saved from like Blabberize or Glockster or something, anything that's saved, okay, as a file. And then you're going to have it saved on your iPad or the computer you're working from, and I'm just going to select a file that I have to kind of show you the process. You're going to choose it. It's going to show up in a list of stuff. The only other thing you need to know how to do is just create a folder. So if you go to Move To and then select New Folder, you can title it, for example, Essays. So once we start adding assignments in here, and you have different types of assignments, it's just going to be nice for you to have folders there, okay? And I'll tell you which categories of folders you're going to need to have. But that's all that there is to it. You just need to have a blog and a tarea to start with, and your homepage. Your homepage will add 2 later, so don't worry if you don't have all about me or a picture of you. You can do those things, but it's not needed right away, okay? So I've created my site. At this point, it's just going to show you your Gmail account and that you're signed in up here in the right-hand corner, and that's going to be where you sign out when you're all done. You're also going to share it later, okay? But don't worry about that right now. So once you go back home, this is just a list of sites that you have. So if you just have the one that you just created, it's right there. And then if you want to make your own personal site, you're going to go over there to create, and you're going to have a list, okay? But then up there you have like your Google Images and your Google Docs and your Mail and YouTube, and you can just get straight there from your Google Sites. So we're all done now, and I'm going to sign out. And that is all, folks.